Hello everyone and welcome to the another video on web development. So guys, today's video is going to be about how to embed a Google map on your website. So you might have visited several websites, and when you go to the contact us page, you might have seen that many on many websites people do embed the location on the Google Maps, and they embed that Google map on the website as well. So that's what we are going to do today. So let's get started. So before we start the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And here we go. So today we will create the entire contact us page. So I'm not going to make it that fancy, but a little bit of styling. All right, so we have this section contact us. Now we'll create another section, and let's say in this section we put a padding horizontal padding of 5 py5, and then we'll take a container, and then we'll take a row, and inside this row we'll take the column lg col md col sm col 12. Now let's say, all right, just above that we will take another row, and let's say give it a row, then class call lg. So let's just copy it from here and paste it here. Now let's say in this we will write let's say put a h1 tag, get in touch, or let's say like this, get in touch. It looks good, but we want this. Okay, left side is fine. All right, now get in touch, and just below that, all right, we will just take one more column, same like this. Now here, let's say we put div, and inside this div, let's say this is, there is an h3 with us, or let's say the first one is address, and just below that we put the address. Let's say we'll just take a demo address, let's say Google Maps. In the Google Maps we'll go to let's say Michigan, or let's say we take an address from Wisconsin, United States. Okay, Ashley. Let's say we take this address, we copy it from here, and guys, this is just a demo address, so this is not my office address, like this. And let's say we put here padding 5, and we'll take another div. Here we'll write call us, and let's say we put a number. So guys, either we can do it like this, plus 1 480 524 7845. So it's a demo number. This is a call us. Now let's say what we want is, we want a link over here, so that if anyone clicks here, then if someone has opened this website in cell phone, and if someone clicks on this number, then it should take him to the dialer, or it should dial the number automatically. So for that, what we will do is we'll put and we will put an anchor tag, and on href we'll write tell All right, guys. So we'll just copy this number, tell, and put a colon, then paste the number, and again the number here. Now it becomes a link. So if anyone clicks here, then your phone app will be open, and you can make a call directly from the website. And the next we will take is email us. So email us. So let's suppose, so on the link, on the anchor tag within the href, we will write mail to, then put a colon, and then we will write the email address. So let's say contact@testmail.com, and this is what we are going to display here. All right, I'll refresh the page. So we have got the email. Right now, on the other side, on the right side of the website, of the section, we will create a contact us form. So let's say method equal to post action equal to. So guys, what we can do here is either we can simply write contact.php, or we can also use PHP script here to display the current file name. For that, we'll write echo dollar underscore server PHP self. That's what we can write here. So let's not use this. So let's just simply use contact.php, and inside this we'll take full name, let's say, and just below. So let's say this is a row class, and let's say this is form label class equal to form label, and we'll now take two columns over here, class col lg col md col sm, and just col. And inside this we'll take input file, input tag, input type equal to text, name is equals to, let's say, first name, and required, and let's say class equals to form control. And same thing we are going to do for the surname as well. Text, first name, let's say last name, form control. Okay, we'll put a placeholder as well. So placeholder, let's say first name, and here we'll put a placeholder last name. So guys, placeholder is the value which is by default displayed inside the text box. So whenever you write something, it goes, it is gone. And after this full name, we'll take one more div. We'll put class empty4, that is margin top of 4, and then inside this we will take a label class form label, let's say email, and let's put input tag over here, type equals to email, name is equal to email, that is user's email, and then put a placeholder, let's say please enter your email, and class equals to form control, and we'll make it required. And same way we will take another div, and inside this we will write message, and instead of input tag we will take text area, and inside the text area, same, class equals to form control, and placeholder equals to, let's say, write your message here. And we have given the class. Now name is equal to, let's say, msg, and we'll make it required. So we want it to be a little bit bigger. For that, we will use rows equals to, let's say, 7. That would be fine enough. Okay, perfect. Now we will take another div, and inside this div we'll make text center, and inside this we will use the input tag with, we will put the submit button. So type equal to sub equals to submit, name equals to send, and let's say value equals to send message, and class equals to, let's say, btn primary. That would be fine. All right, so we have got the form. Now just below this form we want to embed the Google map. For that, what we will do, so we search this address in Google, right? So we'll just, we are on the same address here on the Google Maps, or you can, what you can simply do is go to maps.google.com and just copy the address, paste it in the search. We've got the address here. Now what we will do is we will first create a section. We'll not do anything on the Google Maps. So first we'll create another section, and let's say this section, okay, everything is fine. All right, now inside this section we'll create a container, and we will make it fluid. So container fluid means it will, cover, it will, it will take the entire width of the page. Generally the normal container has a, padding of this much of padding, but container fluid will be 100, will be of 100% of the page width. So container fluid, inside that will take, so we'll not do anything here, or we can simply, take a row, and then we'll take a col lg column, col md, col sm, col 12, and inside this we will put the put the code for the Google map. So we'll go to the Google map, we are on the address. Now go to the menu. Now click here on share or embed map, embed a map. Now we will use a custom size. So let's, give it some height. Let's say 400 will be fine. So custom size, so our screen size, we can check the screen size here. So even if we hover over the body, it will give us the total width in pixels. So it's 1903 pixels in width. So we'll go to the Google map. Here on the custom size we will write 1903, and let's say height, we will take 400 pixels. That will be pretty much good. Now we'll copy the HTML code from here, and then we'll go to the codes here and we will paste it here. Now if we check, so we have got the Google map here. However, we can see a white border over here. It's because of this container and rows, these have, by default they have a margin. So what we can do is we can simply put m0, that is margin 0, m0, and we'll put m0. So see, the white border will be, so it's still not gone. Let me check. Container fluid, okay, it has a padding as well. So we'll reduce the padding to 0. We'll reduce the padding to 0. We'll do it on each and every element. Padding 0, padding 0. Now we'll refresh the page and see the white border is gone. So we have got the Google Map here on our contact us page. So guys, that's how we embed a Google Map. And also we can do one thing: if anyone clicks on this address, then it will scroll the page down to this section. So for that, what we can do is, inside this section we will put an ID, let's say map, and on this, so instead of this paragraph tag, we will just take an anchor tag. We'll take an anchor tag. I'll put the address here, and within the href we will write hash maps. Oh, sorry, map, not maps. It's map. So it should be the same ID like this. Now, if we refresh the page, so let's say if anyone clicks here on this address, then it will scroll it down to the map, right? So I think we are done with the today's topic, guys. So please do practice and let me know if in case you have any doubt. Just put it on the comment box and I will get back to you with the solution. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, and bye bye.